We're here this week in Hollywood, California to pick our color stars.
So this is an annual workshop we have that incorporates all the different business units, and we work together to find a common palette across all our different markets.
We have all the people who've been here before and been here for many years. We also have new people coming to the team as well, which brings new ideas.
The teamwork is really interesting. Everybody comes from a different background. There's usually a couple of different things that seem to rise to the surface. The way that we go about finding those things is through having conversations, showing pictures, showing presentations, tearing up magazines.
And it is very important to bring everybody together in one room so we can look at the color and at the same time look at the differences what every region and country have.
The diversity is very important because we understand different realities in different countries, in different moments. But at the end, we find things very similar.
Having stylists from around the globe is very important. They share all the information that they're seeing, and it makes our trend forecast that much more relevant.
We come from different industries and different businesses. It's so nice to see that many of the trends, maybe we use different words, but we are more or less aligned.
I think it's great to work with people from all over the world and across the regions and across the industries in PPG, because we can learn so much from each other, but also becomes aware that it's a small world. When we present our trends, it's actually many times the same that we see happening in the world. Even though we think that the world is so big, then it's not really that big.